Hey everyone! Today, I'm excited to share a quick and easy way to score a free $100 Lyft promo code. This method is super simple, and you'll have your promo code in just a few minutes, so stick around to see how it's done. First, head over to escapon.co/Lyft, or scan the QR code displayed on the video with your smartphone camera to enter the website. Once you're on the page, the first step is to enter your email address. This is key because your $100 promo code will be sent directly to your inbox, so make sure you enter it correctly. I'll go ahead and type in my email now so you can follow along. Next, you'll need to select whether you're using an Apple or Android device. It's important to choose the right option since the process might vary slightly depending on your device. Since I'm using an Android phone, I'm selecting that option and clicking the Continue button. Now, the site will start generating your promo code. Don't worry, this only takes a few moments. It's one of the quickest ways to get $100 off your next Lyft ride. Your promo code is almost ready, but there's one last step. To confirm that you're a real person and not a bot, the site will ask you to verify your identity by downloading 2 free apps from the Google Play Store. These apps are always free, so there's no cost involved. You can choose any 2 apps that are available. There's no need to pick the same ones I'm downloading. If an app doesn't download properly, just pick a third app as a backup. I'm currently downloading my second app, and once both apps are installed, you'll need to open and use each one for about a minute. Some apps might ask you to complete a quick survey or sign up. So if that happens, just follow the instructions to make sure the verification process goes smoothly. After you've used the apps for the required time, head back to your email and refresh the page. Your $100 Lyft promo code should be sitting in your inbox, ready to use. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing to my channel.